Let's take a look at your MT11 LT7 seminar on the volumes of cylinder, cones, and spheres. The first thing I want you to do is do the first 5 questions and then come back and check. And what we're going to look at today is exactly what I said, the volumes of cylinders, which is pi r squared h, the volume of a cone, which is 1/3 of that, pi r squared, 1/3 pi r squared, and the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. We've done a little bit of these before, but we're going to do a little bit more today. And let's start here on question example 1. Aiden wants to mail his brother a collection of antique marbles. He needs to calculate the volume of the mail tube before he buys it to ensure that it will hold all the marbles. Doesn't want to lose any of his marbles. I want you to find the volume of the tube to the nearest tenth. So the volume is pi r squared h. Radius, so in this problem, the radius is 1.25, isn't it? So we're going to say pi times 1.25 squared. And the height is going to be the distance between our bases, which in this case is 10. Use our calculator to find that, and we'll get about 49.1 cubic inches. And there's your answer. Oops, don't want that. And then if we take a look at our next one, we have some algebra we want to do. So I want to find the volume of this cone. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. And on this problem, I want you to find the volume in terms of x and pi first, and then we'll substitute x in to find the answer when x is 4. So if we take a look here, my radius is going to be x minus 1. So I'll go x minus 1 squared. And then we're going to multiply that by the height. Well, my height is 3x minus 5. There we have it. That's in terms, of x and h. I won't take that down any further. Now, to find the answer when x is 4, we're going to have to do a little bit more work. So let's replace x with 4. By the way, I should say cubic feet here. So I'm going to say 1/3 times pi times 4 minus 1 cubed times 3 times 4 minus 5. And then we can just simplify that a little bit, or we could actually do what it says. So 1/3 times pi times 3 cubed times 12 minus 5 is 7. We do that, we get about 66.0 cubic feet. Just use your calculator for that part of it. And there is your answer.